Then, the third procedure is all about the pediatric restraining. So first, let me give you the definition of the restraint. So restraint is any method, physical or mechanical, which restrict a person's movement, physical activity, or normal access to his or her body. So there are some types of restraint used with children. First is the medical surgical restraints. So it is used to ensure that safe care is given to the patient. It can be initiated by an individual order or by protocol. Continued use of restraint must be renewed each day. Then, patients are monitored at least every 2 hours. Then, next types of restraint is the behavioral restraint. So it is limited to situations with a significant risk of patient physical harming themselves or other because of behavioral reasons, and non-physical interventions are not effective. Then it must be recorded every 1 to 2 hours and must be continuously observed and assessed every 15 minutes. So for the purpose for medical surgical restraint, so it prevents injury due to the following: the risk for interruption of therapy used to maintain oxygenation or airway patency. Then, risk of harm of indwelling catheter, tube drain, line, pacemaker, wire or sutures are removed, then dislodged or ruptured. Then patient confusion, agitation, unconsciousness, or developmental inability to understand direct requests or instructions. So, for the purpose of the behavioral restraints, so it prevents injury to others from disoriented or hostile client when other methods of control have been ineffective.
So in this restraint, place vest on client with opening in front. Then, wrap other end of flap across client and around chair or upper portion of bed. Then, fasten end of ties together behind chair or to sides of bed frame. Then, check respiratory status for distress related to the restriction from vest. In hand mittens, wrap Kerlix gauge around the hand until totally covered. Then, fold hand into fist and continue to wrap fist. Then pat tape around fist to secure gauge, then cover with sock or stockings.